The youth wing of the All Progressives Congress (APC) Southeast Zone, in their view, made a case for the inclusion of all geopolitical zones other than Northwest and Southwest in the incoming federal administration by allotting to them key leadership positions in the Federal House of Representatives and the Senate. The youth wing of the party, who spoke through its zonal leader, Chief Olisaemeka Onyeka, shortly after a closed-door meeting of the executive members in Awka, remarked that such consideration would make Southeast and others experience equity, fairness, and justice. Chief Onyeka pointed out that the Southeast Zone gave the APC more number of votes in 2019 than it did in 2015, adding that there are now ranking members who can occupy any high position at the Federal House of Representatives and red chambers from the Southeast Zone.
Northwest has the president already, Southwest vice president, then the remaining Senate president, deputy Senate president, speaker, and 4 should naturally go to the other 4 zones. We equally call on Mr. President. We thank you, Mr. President, for the projects you've been doing. You've cited in the Southeast. However, ask that you push your ministers to ensure that they expedite action and increase the pace of work on those projects.
This view, however, appears at variance with that of one-time chairman of Nigeria Labour Congress in Anambra State, Comrade Charles Onyagba, who feels that the leadership of the incoming government and party coming to power should naturally choose key officers from where they received large chunk of votes. Comrade Onyagba regretted that Southeast voting pattern has robbed the zone of the moral strength to demand for leadership position in the legislature. In a phone interview, the senior special assistant to the governor on political matters, Dr. Vero Okechukwu, recommended the adoption of zoning system in allocation of positions in all the key areas of the country as a way of ending the ever-rising agitations emanating from various parts of the country. In Awka, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.